Tire rotation and tire alignment are two different things. Although many people think they are the same, no, they are not. Let me just explain to you in a very simple way in this video. One, have you ever noticed that while you are driving, your car is pulling to one side while you are driving? That is poor alignment. Have you ever noticed that while you are driving, or you notice that one of your tire is always wear, a particular tire always wear? That is tire rotation. Now, what is the difference? Don't worry, this video is going to tell you the difference between tire rotation and tire alignment, and that is going to save you a lot of money. Let me start by telling you a simple story. Imagine you have a pair of shoe. You love this shoe and you always wear this shoe every day. Then because the way you are walking, one of your shoe, maybe you drag one of your leg, maybe the left leg. Then you will notice that the left shoe will always wear faster than the right shoe. Why? Because the way you walk. The same way, your shoe is your car tire. As you are driving, there's every possibility that one of your tire is going to wear faster than the other. So that is where tire rotation and alignment comes in. But let me just explain to you so that you understand the two. For your shoe to point the right direction, the right angle, you need tire alignment. For your shoe to wear evenly, for you to exchange one from right to left and from your left to right, so that everything is going to wear evenly, that is tire rotation. Let's start. Watch tire rotation. Think it as if you have to swap your shoe. From the illustration I mentioned before, your left leg that always wear now, you swap it to the right and your right to the left so that they can wear evenly. That is what is referred to as tire rotation. You take the one from the front to the back and from the back to the front. Well, you don't always need to do it every day, but after a few miles, you can decide to do this, and you don't even need a mechanic. This is something you can do by yourself. And what is the goal? The goal is to ensure that your four tire wear evenly, so that one tire is not bad while the other is still look good. So in a simple way, tire rotation equal to swapping places. Now let's talk about tire alignment. Imagine your shoe is pointing to the wrong direction, and that make you to walk wobbly. That will make your tire also damage. That's exactly what it means. To ensure that your tire pointing perfectly straight, not leaning to in or out or slightly turn. That is what is called tire alignment. Tire alignment help you to adjust your tire to the right angle, and you need a mechanic or a professional in this to do this. And this is going to stop your tire from pulling to one side, and also it keep your steering wheel straight and help your tire to last much longer. Therefore, in a simple arithmetic, alignment equal to pointing straight. Now, what is the difference between the two? When it comes to tire rotation, it simply means moving tire around. You can take the one from the back to the front and the one from the front to the back. That is tire rotation. When it comes to tire alignment, it simply means you are adjusting the tire's direction. Ensure the tire is straight and pointing to the right direction. So rotation is by tire position, while alignment is by tire angle. So rotation is to ensure that your tire wear evenly, while alignment help you to fix steering and pulling issue. So you can rotate your tire by yourself, but when it comes to alignment, because you need a tool to do this, so a professional mechanic is best positioned to do that for you. Please always do this to ensure that you have a smooth ride. If you enjoyed this video, kindly follow me for more, and don't forget to share it to others so that they can differentiate between tire rotation and tire alignment. Love, subscribe and follow me for more. See you in another video.